And when we go to Jesus in our crisis, in our needs, plead to Him, saying in our hearts, if I can only touch the tassel of His cloak, I shall get well. So in the sacraments, the mercy and love of Christ are made flesh. Through them, He enters into our lives now and lives with us. The Lord is kind and merciful. And that's what we see in the first reading. He appears to Jacob. Jacob sees a ladder going from the earth to heaven and heaven to earth. The angels coming down, the saints, the people of God going to God, and God comes to us. It's only through faith God gives the opportunity to us to be with us, and He has promised us that He will be till the end of times with us if we relate to Him through the sacraments to get the meaningful life we want. So in the sacrament of Eucharist, we encounter Jesus, we receive Him, and then throughout the day, He's there with us, and He helps us in times of crisis and difficulties.